I promised you guys that I would fly a jet for the channel, so Nate said the F-15 was the best way to go. So in today's video, I'm gonna get this in the air. It's been crashed and glued and repaired from Nate when he flew with everybody back in the fall. So it doesn't really matter if I crash it. Nate thinks he needs to do a hand launch because the ground is really wet, the grass is getting a little bit longer, but I don't want to do a hand launch. So I'm just gonna try to do a ground takeoff. Let's just see how this goes. I'm gonna be flying with safe on, and if you're interested in this jet, it looks a lot better than this out of the box.
Yeah.
If you're interested in this, we'll have the jet, our transmitter, our full setup, all that stuff will be down in that description box. So let's get this in the air.
Okay, it's super wet. Abby, you may have to steer left just a hair depending on what the torque does for you. I want you guys to see. We're giving it our best possible shot for takeoff here. This is Abby's maiden of any jet ever. Yeah, you're gonna have to steer it as you go. Full throttle, full elevator, full both. There, you're up. Now throttle still some more. Keep the throttle up just for now because I'm on the camera and you're maidening. I cannot really help you. But yes, Abby, jet. Yeah. I am a horrible camera person. I'm so sorry, everybody. It's so bright out here. Abby, I don't know how you do this. Wow, Abby's flying a jet. Abby's flying a jet. Oh, you gotta at least try.
Got a bug on my glasses.
Oh no.
Okay, I think I will.
Abby, the F-15 Eagle. 4S. This actually might be your first 4S aircraft. Look at that nice low pass. Wow. Talk about confidence.
Wild. Well, I figured if I was going to do this, I had to do it right.
Yeah. How's it feel? How's it feel?
I needed to give it some more juice.
Yes, I could tell. Abby, good job. Yeah, now you can fly the F-15 and I can fly the F-16 together. Woo! Yeah.
A lot more stable than I thought.
Yes.
Like a lot.
Are you having to give it any up elevator?
No.
Good. Isn't that awesome?
It's all throttle control, pretty much. Just maintaining the amount of throttle you need.
The way I have Abby set up is permanent safe on. Not even an option to bump the switch.
AS3X making it twitch a little bit to keep it level.
Mm-hmm.
It's always really cool when you see that kicking in. That keeps you so safe in the air. Not to mention safe technology. So as soon as I let off the aileron, it straightens back out. That's always nice.
Gosh, I hope this looks good for everybody because I'm just so happy you're flying. Like, I just want to glance up for a second.
I can't believe it's in the air.
Yeah!
Did you see it? Did you glance?
I glanced, which means bad camera work, but I glanced up. I wanted to see it for myself. Gosh, I hope this is in focus.
I never thought I'd fly a jet.
But you're flying a jet!
I know a lot of you guys have wanted to see me fly, but I do want to give one person in particular a shout out. The person who pushed me to do it since last summer was Stan. So Stan, this one's for you. And nice. Nate hasn't shut up about me flying it. I should probably give my husband some credit.
Oh, good job, Abby.
How long is this gonna fly?
I want you to keep it in the air for about 1 more minute. I'll keep track of it. Or you can go ahead and attempt your landings now if you want. It's really not so bad. This one likes to stick to the ground really well. When you land, what you want to do is your normal approach, but you just kind of want to take it out as far as you can. I'm gonna, as it passes, I'm gonna show everybody. She's gonna go out over this tree line here and really push it out as far as she can, coming around really through this little dip.
So fast.
It feels fast, but it'll slow down a lot.
Okay, well, all right.
You're gonna give it a couple attempts. I gotta get eyes on you here. There you are. Okay, zero throttle and just let it come in now.
Push it down?
Yeah, push it down. Keep that airspeed up.
I can't. Okay, it's still coming toward us, right?
Yeah.
It slowed down a lot.
It did. You'll get it. Just keep the airspeed up with down elevator and you got it. Oh my gosh, perfection. A perfect maiden flight. Just perfect.
I can't believe that just
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
Alright, I can't believe that just happened. I really can't. I'm kind of blown away. I guess I just feel like if you can fly that E-flite Valiant that I've been practicing a lot on, then you can fly this on safe. You know, my whole flight was on safe, completely dependent upon safe, especially with that landing, because I went so far out that orientation got hard for me. Like, I asked Nate, hey, is this still coming toward us? Because that's how far away I had to fly visually. For me, I always struggle with orientation anyways, to have this slow down enough to be able to come in comfortably for a landing. I can't believe it came in so smooth. It didn't nose in or anything, especially with the grass conditions right now. That was fun, guys. If you have been hesitant about getting a jet, this is gonna be a great starter jet. As I told you, this has been crashed before, and just hot glued it back together, and all our friends picked some of these up too, and I think almost everybody but maybe one of them,
I think
has
Dan,
crashed it.
or well, let's see. David Chenzoff's the only one.
I think so. I think David was the only one that came out scotch-free, but what's the saying? Scratch-free?
Scot-free?
Scot-free?
Something.
But everybody else just got the hot glue gun out and pieced theirs back together, and it's really amazing. It was really amazing to see our whole friend group of RC people get into jets and see them all fly together, and then now I can fly with you guys.
That's right.
So
that's your jet. That's your jet now.
You can fly the F-16. We don't need to get another one of these. You fly the F-16, I'll fly, which Nate just flew that the other day for you guys.
That's right.
And I'll fly this, and then all the other guys can fly their F-15s, and you can be like the point in our geese formation, Nate.
Oh yeah, okay.
We'll have the different one.
Yeah. Yeah.
It'll be fun. I'm blown away. Nate and I are gonna do some chase drone shots for you guys after the camera turns off, so hopefully this is still in one piece after that. But yeah.
I'm proud.
I can't believe it.
It flies easy, doesn't it?
It really does.
Yeah.
With that safe, it works so well on this. It's incredible.
You'll get it. Just keep the airspeed up with down elevator and you got it. Oh my gosh, perfection. A perfect maiden flight. Just perfect.
I can't believe that just
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
This will be linked in the description box below for you guys, as well as all the other things we use to get it in the air. I'm going to take a moment and thank God for helping me today with the nerves and just experiencing a jet for the first time. It was just incredible. Also, I want to thank these amazing patrons scrolling by right now, and those in the description box, and all you patrons that are part of our sticker loyalty program, or just that give us $1 a month to help us make ends meet on the channel. We appreciate you so much. Here's the video right here of Nate flying the F-16 just a few days ago for you guys. Go check that out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you over there.